Hi friends, welcome to Indian Home DIY and I am Shreya. Hope all you are doing well, and in this video we are going to see to how to make Saundarya Fairness Cream. It's 100% Ayurvedic and it's based upon the formula invented during 1700 century. Regular use of this cream will make your skin fairer and also glowing. And a humble request to please subscribe my channel and encourage and boost me. This helps me really a lot, and please press the bell notification icon for further notification. And guys, this video is dedicated to Nova Purple and Sylvia Roy. I am taking a 50 gram of jar for measuring this cream, and in this I am adding pinch of pure saffron. These are almost 100 thread of saffron, and please buy the original and authentic saffron. Saffron is having Ushna Gun. It means it warms your skin when you apply it, and that making your skin more comfortable to absorb the cream which you are applying or massaging on it. Further, it reduces the melanin production on the area on which you apply it, and it reduces the scars, pigmentation, pimple marks and uneven tone of your face skin. Now I am adding pure aloe vera gel, small, almost 3 to 4 spoons, so that this saffron will dissolve in the aloe vera gel. Please buy aloe vera gel which doesn't have any color or fragrance, because most of the aloe vera gel is having fragrance and colors, and while using that type of aloe vera gel we make our skin more damaged in spite of repairing it. Mix it well and let it soak for almost 4 to 5 hours. I am using Dr. Jain's aloe vera gel. You can use Patanjali's saffron kesar aloe vera gel also. Now turn to soak the almonds. For making 50 gram of night cream we will need 40 almonds. You can take whatever kind of almonds you are having. I have scrubbed the edges of the almonds. The reason of doing scrubbing the edges of the almond is this, that we are gonna soak it in the cow's milk, or if cow's milk is not available with you, use any kind of raw milk you are having. The density of cow milk or any kind of milk is heavier than water, and diffusion between almond and that cow's milk take longer time, so we need to scrub the edges of the almonds. Before soaking in the cow's milk, you need to wash the almonds properly so that no impurities will be left. Now let's discuss the reason of using almonds and cow's milk. Raw milk is having lactic acid and lactogen, which is very good for making your skin fairer and brighter in few application only. It also remove toxins from your skin layer and make your pore invisible. It reduce the scars and reduce the pigmentation, and it also make de-tanning of your face. Further, it has the properties to reduce melanin production, which can be caused by UV rays, sun rays. Next, we will need 2 spoons of masoor lentils. In Charak Samhita, masoor has been shown as fairness treatment of any kind of skin. It has the properties that reduce melanin, make your skin brighter, smoother, softer and fairer within few days. So before soaking it in the cow's milk or any other raw milk you are having, please wash it properly and drain the water and then soak it in the milk. Milk should be raw in both the cases, while soaking almond and while soaking the masoor lentils. After soaking masoor lentils in milk, please check because it absorbs the milks very fast. Add additional milk if required. Many people in the other my YouTube channel Indian Home DIY have asked that whether milk will be spoiled when we keep on room temperature. No, it will not spoil, but when you will boil it, it is going to be spoiled. So we will keep this milk raw itself. Please don't keep the milk soaked lentils and almonds in fridge, else it will not fermented. Keep them in room temperature only, and minimum 10 to 12 hour time we will need to soak them. After 4 to 5 hours, you will notice that aloe vera gel and saffrons are mixed together, and saffron has given yellow, very goldenish color to the aloe vera gel. Now mix this aloe vera gel and saffron with a small spoon and continuously for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and you will notice that all the threads of the saffron will absorb by the aloe vera gel and there will be no thread left. Now as you are seeing that I have peeled off the almonds and washed almonds and masoor lentils in fresh water, or you can use distilled water. Please don't use the tap water. Now take a tissue towel or a kitchen towel and spread the lentils and almond over it. We will make them dry so that no leftover of water or milk remain inside lentil and almond. If almond is having cavity, please break down in two pieces so that water or milk will be evaporated. Please try them inside your room. It will take half hour or 45 minutes to get water evaporated from lentil and almond, and after that you will notice that they will have little bit moisture left in them. If any water droplets or moisture will remain, your cream will be spoiled very easily and fungus will appear there, so be very careful. Now take almonds and masoor lentil in a mixie blender and pour all of them in it. Now we will add rose water. I am using homemade rose water. You can use Dabur or Patanjali's or whatever brand you are having with you. I am adding only 1 spoon of rose water. You need to add very low quantity of rose water. Rose water has the elements that make your skin fairer and very glowing, and it also reduces the pigmentation and melanin production. The paste will look like this after grinding few seconds, and now we need a kitchen towel and a clear bowl to drain out the juice from this mixture. Please don't use any colored cloth or colored tissue paper. Use only kitchen towel which is of white color. Now drain out the juice from this mixture and you will notice that it will come out very easily, and it is very peachy pinky in color. It's very good for your skin. You can apply directly like this, but we are going to make cream today. It has all the goodness of fairness essence in it, and you can preserve it by making ice cube of this and use daily on your face. You can use this early in the morning like ice cube, and it's very good for your skin. Now take this juice and add it in the saffron aloe vera gel. This saffron aloe vera gel is very good for under eye dark circle. If you are having a trouble and having under eye dark circle or puffiness, please use this gel as under eye gel. It's very good. Now mix the this juice along with this aloe vera and saffron and add little bit so that it not get watery. And when you mix all of this ingredient, you will notice that it is converting in a very good cream, and it's very good in texture, and it's a Saundarya fairness cream, means the richest form of Saundarya cream you are making by your own hands. It has a fragrance of real saffron, and look out the color of the cream, means it's look like real saffron Saundarya fairness cream. Its texture is very soft and silky. I will apply and show you. Now it's time to add pure cow ghee. If your skin is oily, add little bit, means half a spoon of masala tea. I am using half a spoon of masala tea, and if your skin is dry, please increase the quantity like 1 spoon. You can also use homemade butter after boiling it and taking out the impurities in this cream. Now this is the purest form of any Saundarya fairness cream which are available in the market, and let I show. I need this little bit droplet only, and you know on this part of hand there is no pores, but look out the result. It has been absorbed very easily, very soft, very smooth, and you will notice that a small bits particle of saffron is left, rest other no leftover is there. Now let's check it out how to apply this and how to store. You can store at room temperature for minimum 1 month, but I will request you to make the 50 grams at a time so that it will last for 15 days. Every night clean your face with aloe vera gel or gulab gel or alum water so that your skin get penetrate, and massage this having upward direction. You can massage it on your lips and mouth corner along with under eyes also. It is very effective on any part of your face. Massage at least for 10 minutes and clean with wet tissue, but don't please wash it out. Leave it over your face and cover with a coat of aloe vera gel. And now let's check it out the use of the leftover pulp. Please store this in fridge because it will be get spoiled if you keep it outside. And scrub your face daily early in the morning and clean the massage cream and aloe vera gel with this scrub. Apply your daily moisturizer and sunscreen to protect your skin. I believe that I am able to share a good remedy for fairness homemade night massage cream with you. Please subscribe my channel. Be beautiful, be safe and keep smiling. I'm gonna meet you soon with new videos. Take care. Bye.